Hello kids, welcome back to Kiddo Color Club. Today, we will learn to draw an airplane step by step. Are you ready? Let's go! Step 1, body shape. First, draw a long oval shape. This is the body of the airplane. Nice and round at the front, and slightly pointed at the back. Step 2, tail wing. Now, let's draw a tail fin at the back. This helps the airplane to fly straight. Great job! Step 3, wings. Let's draw 2 big wings on the sides. One on the top, one on the bottom. Wow! Now it's starting to look like a real airplane. Step 4, the tails. Time to add the propeller, some windows, and the cockpit in the front. Awesome! Our airplane is ready to fly in the sky. Now let's color our airplane. Grab your crayons. Use orange, blue, green, and red. Let's bring this airplane to life instead.
Over the mountains and so high, over the mountains oh so high. Orange rims and windows blue, orange rims and windows blue, orange rims and windows blue, orange rims and windows blue. Green tail shiny, red tail blue. Green tail shiny, red tail blue. Zoom it here and zoom it there. 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 Flying smoothly through the air, flying smoothly through the air, flying smoothly through the air, flying smoothly through the air.
Amazing work, kids! Your airplane looks super cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with Kiddo Color Club. Bye-bye!